Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be unboxing a Newegg box. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building two computers for the client who's been supplying those computers to be upgraded with the Ryzen 3 2200G. These two machines are going to be a little bit more powerful. These will have the Ryzen 5 2400G. And instead of having a 500 gigabyte hard disk drive, mechanical hard drive, we're going to have a 512 gig solid state drive in these machines. And also 16 gigs of RAM in each computer. So I know you guys enjoy watching Newegg unboxings, so let's go get started. This is a rather big one. We have two motherboards, two APUs, a total of 32 gigs of RAM, two M.2 SSDs, two optical drives. I'm not sure if I missed anything. These machines are going to be getting used in kind of a shop environment, so I'm going to be building these in pretty much the same kind of towers that the client already has, like for example those E-Machines towers. So I already have the cases and power supplies and stuff like that. So, see if you have a good view of this. And watch out for a packing slip. I don't see one yet. There's one thing I don't like about these air cushions. You see how these have air in them, but these are deflated? They're junk. They're garbage. Once a package gets dropped or slammed, they pop, and that's the end of it. They offer no protection. But we should be okay. I mean, the components themselves are packed pretty well in their boxes. So we have two motherboards, the ASRock A320M-HTV motherboards. I've been using these boards to build these machines, and I've built 5 office computers so far. And in case you wondered, I got 3 computers in to do upgrades on, but at the same time the client is like, oh, we need to have 2 of these other systems built as a priority first, so I still have to order. It'll probably be in a few weeks or so. I'll be ordering more stuff to upgrade these other machines. So 2 ASRock A320M-HTV motherboards. We have 2 AMD Ryzen 5 2400G APUs. Need a little bit more processing power. We have 2 light-on optical drives, which do not have any padding around them. And look at this. Oh, we'll get to that in a moment. So there's the 2 optical drives. We have our 2 packages of RAM. These are 16 gigabyte kits. The software they're using on these requires a minimum of 16 gigs recommended. And our 2 solid state drives. Okay, not 5. These aren't 512 gigabytes or 500 gigabytes, but roughly the same. M.2 2280 solid state drives. And of course, you guys know I used an M.2 2280 SSD in the Mid-Tower Deluxe when I upgraded it back in December. And of course, I am just the performance is amazing. And look, they even include screws in here to mount the things. However, the motherboard already includes screws, so that's that. And get this. Okay, we have this HelloFresh offer. And this Harry's offer. but I do not see a packing list in here. And I'll be honest, these SSDs and RAM, they were just loose in the box along with the optical drives. They were just loose in the box. Now, I don't see any physical damage to the packaging, which that's a good sign. But come on, Newegg. This is about close to $900 worth of components right here. I would expect a little better packaging than that. Yeah, I would prefer packing peanuts over those cheap airbags. And yeah, I would have liked to have seen better. What's interesting is the box does not even have Newegg logos on it. It's just a plain brown box. That's rather weird. So yeah, there's the components. And of course I'll be adding this up with stuff I already have to complete the build. And so you guys will be getting to look forward to a video of me doing this build. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed about how that was packed. That was rather poor. I would have expected a little bit better from Newegg, to be honest. But it looks like everything is here okay. And again, that was weird not getting a packing slip in the box. I think I've always received a packing slip in a Newegg package. So yeah, rather interesting. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.